NA1SS, how do you copy? November 4ISS, this is NA1SS, how do you copy? This is NA1SS, how do you copy? Oscar November 4ISS, I believe I heard your first question. You come in very faint, and the question I believe was how do you take a shower or a bath? And we actually have to take sponge baths up here because there's no running water. So we just get a wet towel and a wash rag and just sponge ourselves off. Well, you know, the best part, besides getting to fly in space, is the fact that I get to learn so much about so many different things, photography and earth science and, you know, physical science, and I get to meet people from all over the world. It's really a lot of fun. A lot of our food is dehydrated because we don't have a refrigerator, and so we have to add water to our food to eat it, and some of it's like meals ready to eat, sort of like the military has, and we just heat it up, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And they're attached to the wall, although you could just float around if you want to. It's a little uncomfortable, but inside my sleeping bag, I do tend to kind of float a little bit, so it's a little bit of both. Over. The temperature inside the space station is pretty much normal room temperature because we can use air conditioning or heating to make it the temperature that we like. So when I'm inside the space station, I wear normal clothes, just pants and sweaters and shorts and things like that. Over. No, I haven't ever seen a balloon in space. I think it would be interesting. We do have a lot of things that just float around up here like balloons since we're in microgravity, so that's kind of fun. We have all kinds of training that we have to do. We have to learn about the systems that are up here from the different countries. We have to learn about photography. We have to learn how to fix things. We have to learn Russian language. We have to learn how to do spacewalks and do robotics. We do all kinds of different training. It's very interesting. Over. Worry about because it will take a long time for the ISS to fall out of its orbit, and it's something that there's a lot of people watching for. The three things that we're very careful about are watching for fires or any kind of hole that might come in the station if something hits it, and any kind of, you know, bad odors or smells or dangerous chemicals. That would be bad for us. So those are the emergencies that we worry about. Over. Different animals. We've flown fish and ants, and we had some spiders and caterpillars on our mission, so we are trying to fly different animals, small ones, to see how they react to zero gravity. Over. Question, because it takes us only 90 minutes, an hour and a half to go around the Earth, and so every 45 minutes we have a sunset and a sunrise, and so night and day is sort of a different thing up here. We're on a 24-hour day based on Greenwich Mean Time, but we see several sunrises and sunsets every day. Over. And because we can't just take it outside and throw it away like you can at home or have your trash cans, there's an unmanned cargo vehicle that the Russians send up here that bring us supplies. And once we empty that vehicle, we put all of our trash and waste and garbage in it, and when that vehicle undocks, it comes back through the Earth's atmosphere, burns up. So the Earth's atmosphere is sort of our big garbage incinerator. Over.